I know we love our families. We want to be with them for the holidays. They call us and they say, "Hey, come over. We haven't seen you in a long time." And you come over, and all of a sudden you're arguing about something that you didn't want to talk about, or they're picking with you about something that just gets on your nerves. And you're like, "Why did I even come here?" It's a trap every single time. But here's what I want to share with you. My name's Coach Lee. I'm a social connections coach, and I want to help you make more meaningful connections with your family. And listen, the one thing that you need to do is recognize that when you go back to your family, you have to be different. You cannot be the same person who falls for this trick, who falls for this treachery. Essentially, you come over and they say something to you and you get upset and then you're in a fight. Well, you have to know that having something said to you or whatever it is that they say to you is a trigger and you're going to start fighting with them. You have to be different because you're going to do something different next time. If you don't know how to do that, I have a free course called Friends with Family that I'd love to help you out with. Absolutely free. Come check it out. Link in the bio.